Hi, my name is Jackie Keller, and my company is called NutriFit. I'm here today to show you how to make a high-protein, low-fat pudding. And today, we're making a deliciously healthy chocolate tofu pudding. There are 3 key ingredients that make this recipe very special. First, 1 carton of light tofu. This is 12.5 ounces. Next, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This is Dutch processed dark cocoa powder with no sugar added. And third, a very ripe banana. These are the 3 key ingredients that go into the food processor along with all the other ingredients that make this pudding very easy and quick. All you have to do, into the food processor bowl, your tofu, your cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce, 2 teaspoons of safflower oil, 1/3 cup of honey, and your ripe banana. Process it all together. And when you're done, this is what the tofu pudding looks like. It does need to be refrigerated, but it's ready to be enjoyed. My name is Jackie Keller. My company is NutriFit. You can find us at NutriFitOnline.com.